last chapter in the book. We learn the letters Gimel, Tet, and Zayin, and a new-ish vowel sound, but a new rule. O with a yud at the end, the ova vowel sound, and yud at the end of a word is going to be oi, and then the va vowel sound oo followed by a yud is going to be an ooey sound. So we'll get to that. Gimel is a g sound. Tet is the same sound as tav as we learned in chapter 1, and zayin is a strong z sound. So let's practice our vowel sounds. Line 1. Gi, ge, gay, ta, tu, to, ze, za, za. Line 2. Letters that tend to look alike according to the book. Gate, gum, zag, vaz, zan, nog, gan. So in the book they tell you tet and mem can get confusing. Some of my students struggle with that, not too many. Vav versus zayin. Yes, if you're reading too fast. Zayin versus final nun. I don't find this unless depending on the font. And final nun is only going to come at the end of a word. And then nun versus gimel. The gimel has like that little kickstand that somebody said in class. I like that. All right, adding a syllable, line 3, and practicing our final letters. Garech, teref, eretz, aron, avum, chalom, zadon. So you have final chaf, final fe, final tzadi, final nun, final mem. 5 in total. Line 4, adding another syllable. Azamer, atara, gidola, yitaref, gitara, like a guitar. Line 5, hit nadav, hizdamain, hitztaref, he'evir, hagoal. Line 6 are just names. Zechariah, Tuvia, Eliza, Gedalia, Nehemiah. And then this is our vav vowel sound rule on line 7, aiming for an oi sound whenever it comes at the end of a word. Line 7. Oi, soy, goy, noi, boy, moy. Line 8 is going to be an ooey sound at the end of words. Zooey, Louie, Booey, Rooey, Fooey, Suey. And then line 9, pause here, see if you can get this on your own, and then go ahead and play it and hear what it reads. But really try to read this by yourself. Luke, et, you, go. Reading Hebrew. Look at you go, reading Hebrew. Awesome, awesome job. Kol hakavod, it takes a lot of dedication to not just learn a new language, but learn to read a new language, especially when it's with completely different characters that you're familiar with. So yasher kawach, chazak, chazak, v'nitzchazek. Continue to go from strength to strength. May you be strengthened as you continue to work on your Hebrew journey. Our last class and probably last posting in regards to Hebrew is going to revolve around some movie quotes, some famous actors. We'll go over Hatikva. That might be a completely separate video. I haven't decided yet. and just kind of really practice what we've learned since beginning this in October. So, Yasher Koach. You should be very proud of yourselves. Good luck. B'hatzlacha.